Student of class 12. Today we will discuss the physical property of group 16, the fifth physical property. Okay. The electronegativity. Electronegativity. What is electronegativity? Tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Okay. We have discussed this thing electronegativity in detail in 11th class. Clear? So in this process there is no required any kind of energy. Clear? So in this topic, electronegativity, it's a kind of nature, it's a kind of tendency. Clear? So tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself, that is called electronegativity. Now we are talking about the fifth group element and the 16th group element. When we are moving from 15 group to 16 group in a period from left to right, the electronegativity, this is the symbol for a shortcut form of electronegativity. Electronegativity increases because when we move from 15 to 16, the size will be decreases and the negative charge increases. Clear? When we are moving from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases due to increase in size because of addition of or introduction of new principal shell. Clear? The note point is that here oxygen is the second most electronegative element in the whole chemistry, and the first most is the fluorine. Fluorine is the first most or top most electronegative element in the whole chemistry. Clear? The second point is order of electronegativity in 16th group, that will be oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium. We are not talking about the polonium because study of polonium is not doing here because it is radioactive in nature or short-lived element. Clear? So we will not properly study the polonium. That's why it is. Now, order of electronegativity is this one: oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium. You have seen that this order is going to be decreased from left to right. That means to say electronegativity decreases down the road. I am writing here in the form of left to right, but the actual position in the periodic table is oxygen, sulfur, selenium and the tellurium and then polonium. We are not considering polonium because it's of radioactive nature. Clear? Clear? Okay, thank you class.